Hi guys, I'm just going to do a breakdown of some charts and trades that I've taken today. Just going to go ahead and get started on the DXY first of all. On the daily you can see it's broken the bearish trend line. Price could potentially be going up. It's broken the trend line. You've got a H4 level here where it's a massive wick rejection of the sellers. Buyers push the price up. Well, it's a DXY, so and then price has gone up from here, this trend line, and now it's going down. So potential sell trade today on the buy trade, sorry, on the USD pairs. So as you can see, buy trade on the USD pairs, it's negatively correlated to the DXY. So if DXY goes down, the USD pairs go up. And if DXY goes up, USD pairs would go down. So in this case, we can expect today, my analysis was, okay, this is going down. London session opened, it's at H4 level. Price is rejecting. If you go on the H1, you can see prices rejecting the H4 level. You can assume price is going down, which it did, which means Euro USD would go up. So to show you Euro USD, if we go on the H4, remember trap the price between two levels. So the yellow is the H4 zones. Then you can see price broke this bearish, bullish trend yesterday, a couple of days ago. So if I just show you on H1 where I took the trade. So remember, this is how I analyze the chart. So from yesterday, the price made a higher high in this region here. So I get the Fibonacci tool, which is this one. Use it from the higher high and drag it to the most recent higher low, which is this level here. This higher low here. And then you've got your H1 levels. So here you got resistance, here you got support. Remember, price needs to move between support and resistance. Price always moves between support and resistance. So in this case, I knew when price goes to this level here, it's a H4 and it's also fallen on a H1. I can assume price to be bullish. So although I entered on this candle here, it would have been better if I entered here. But I thought, you know what? I'll wait to see what the follow-up candle is. So it would have been better if I entered in this trade, this candle here, but I didn't. I entered on this bullish engulfing candle. It's engulfed the previous bearish candle, indicates buyers are selling. The buyers of in the market now. And as you can see, looking at the RSI, it's over 30. Price is going up as it did. And then my entry time frame is always on 15-minute time frame. So each candle here represents 15 minutes. Each candle represents here 15 minutes. So I entered, I think it was on this candle here. I can't exactly remember. It was either this one or this one. I'm just going to say it's this one. And as you can see, stop loss was placed underneath this higher low. So if price retraces, it doesn't stop me out. So remember, if your stop loss is here and price retraces to this higher low to make a double bottom, I would have been out of the trade. But in this case, I made it underneath the high low, so it is quite a large stop loss. I usually like my stop loss to be around 10 pips, but in this case it's 18 pips. And price was target region. I usually do it to this H1 level, but I thought, you know what, I'll do it to the 78.6. And as you can see, price is relatively close to that. Price has gone to the 61.8. So price has gone to this region here. So because it's past 5 o'clock, I only trade London session. I'm actually going to go ahead and close this trade now. So if we have a look here, price looks to be going down. So you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and close the trade now. So that's 24.5, just say 25 pips I've made from this trade today. So that's my analysis on Euro USD. Remember, you're trading from the H1 level, and your target profit is the other H1 level. In this case, price didn't go all the way up. My TP level was here, but in this case, it didn't reach that. I'm just going to go ahead and close the trade. There's no need for me to stay in the trade. I'm just going to go ahead and bank my profits of 25 pips. Let's have a look and see what other trades that are taken today. Here's another trade I took on GBP USD. Remember, if you start on the daily, you've got your two levels here. This is the most recent high low. That's the most recent higher high. Sorry, that's the most recent higher high. That's the most recent higher low. Drop the price between two levels. Remember, price can only move between support and resistance. So we then go on to the H4 time frame to break the price down further. I don't know why this is so slow today. Come on, man. Sorry, I'll just try and load that up again. There you go, H4 on GBP USD. Drop the price between two levels. You got a higher high here, you got a higher low here. It's broken the bullish trend line, as you can see, and price went down yesterday, and now you can assume it's going up. You then go on to the H1 time frame. So this is a time frame that I have on my PC, on my laptop. You know, it's in the background when I'm doing my own thing. This is analysis. This is a chart I analyze during the day to see if it's close to the level. So I only trade near support or resistance. So in this case, I knew if price reaches here, a H4 level and also H1, I'll enter a buy trade. If prices are near this region here, which is a resistance, I can assume price to go down. In this case, price reached the support level around 10 o'clock, but again, similar to Euro USD's price action, I should have entered here, but I missed it. You can see it made a higher high, it's gone a higher low and retraced to the support. I've then gone ahead and entered on this bullish candle. It's not engulfing yet, but I thought, you know what, buyers are entering the market. Remember, the DXY is going down, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to enter a buy trade on this today. Again, support and resistance. Let me go into the entry time frame, which is M15. And I entered on this candle here, this one here. And again, my stop loss is just under this high low where the H1 level is in H4. So if price does retrace, I'm still in the trade. So that's why it's good to give your your stop loss some bit of breathing space. If my stop loss was quite tight, if it was here, under this high low, I would have been out of the trade. So it's always good to have a relatively, I wouldn't say a large stop loss, but this is why it's important to trade just next to the level. So if price does reach this level, support, and my stop loss is underneath that, then it's unlikely to hit it. So in this case, thankfully, it didn't retrace, but I'll show you examples that if it does that in the future. So remember, you want your stop loss, have it a breathing space. And if we're going to H1, it's quite a large stop loss today, 21 pips. So I only like to trade, have a stop loss of 10 pips. This case, it was 21 pip stop loss. The target profit was 48 pips. So let's have a look here. My target profit was at next H1 level, which is this resistance, 48.6. In this case, as you can see, similar to the Euro USD, price only reached to 61.8. Price only reached this bit here, so you could assume that price has gone to hit this using this as now resistance and going down. So what I'll do is, because I'm still in this trade, I'm actually going to go ahead and close it. So if we're going to M15 time frame, you can see that, look, price hit 61.8, massive rejection, buyers were pushing the price up, sellers pushed the price down, massive candle. It's an inverted hammer if you're looking at candlestick analysis as well, and price is now bearish. You can see this bearish engulfing candle has breached the previous bullish candle, and now you can see price is going down. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this trade now. So this is live trading, guys. This is live price action. If I close this trade right now, I've made 15 pips. If I closed it here, I could have made 25 pips. But I wasn't at my desk all day today, you see, so now I'm making this trade. I'm going to go ahead and close this trade at 15 pips profit. So remember, the Euro USD I made 25 pips. On GBP USD I made 15 pips for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. That's my analysis on GU. Let's go ahead and see what else I did. EJ, I've got no trades on here. Daily, it's still in an uptrend. You can see you got a hammerhead, so it still indicates price going up. H4, it got relatively close to the H4, so I could have took a trade here. Could have took an entry around here. That would have been actually a really good trade if I entered it and used that as a TP. Let's see how much I could have won. So if I enter here, would add stop loss there where support is. And TP is usually here, well for me anyway, trading the H1 levels, but in this case, this region I bet you is 61.8. So if I do the fib levels, I've got a feeling this is 61.8 where prices retrace to. Let's see. So I'm going to get this from the higher high to the higher low. And look at that. This comes with experience, guys. Even without using the Fibonacci tool, I can see prices retraced at 61.8. This is even before using this. Look, I'll delete it again. I showed you that this region here is 61.8. Price is going to retrace here. Once price has made this high low, you can expect it to go up to 61.8. And this Fibonacci tool has confirmed that. Look at that. 61.8. So you could also use this as a TP profit. I didn't take this trade. However, if I did, look how easily I could have made 50 pips, 51 pips. Even more than that, 57 pips. But if my TP was here at 51, 61.8, this is where the previous high, lower high was as well. Could have made 51 pips today, 50 pips on EJ. Look how easy it is trading support and resistance. So I made 25 pips here. I made 15 pips there. I guaranteed 40 pips profit for the day. Could have had another 50 pips here, but look, I missed it. Look, trades, that's the way the market is, guys. You can win trades, you lose trades, you can also miss trades as well. In this case, I didn't even look at EJ today. I don't know why, but I missed that trade. Let's have a look at UC. So USD CAD, I'm in this trade. Price was at a daily level. It's rejecting the daily level. It's also rejecting H4. You can assume sellers are into the market. If you have a look at the RSI as well, it's near the 70, which indicates it's overbought. Price is going to come down, which it is. If we look on the H1 time frame, I entered on this bearish engulfing candle. It's engulfed the previous bullish candle. If we go on the M15 time frame, I entered on this one here. My stop loss was, where's my stop loss? Stop loss is 27 pips. It's too big. I don't know why I've had a stop loss so high, but price is in the right direction. But as you can see, price didn't reach my TP of 56 pips. It's price potentially reversing. Plus it's past 5 o'clock today. So I'm actually going to go ahead and close this trade. And if I close it now, I'm in 3 pips profit. It's not much, but you know, it's close to break even, 3 pips. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this trade, guys. So yeah, as you can see, today I've made 43 pips profit. And if I took this EJ trade, which I missed, I could have made 90 pips today. But look, there's opportunities all the time in the market, so don't worry about that. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my analysis and breakdown of trades that I've done today. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More to come. Thank you. Peace.